When you paint on fabric like suede and leather, there is no medium that you need to put into your paint like I do when I paint on t-shirts that are going, or jeans, denim, that are going into the washing machine. I paint directly on and I use my favorite paints. I love to paint out of jars. This is Golden Brand heavy bodied acrylics. The bottom color is deep cadmium red. The medium second color is medium cadmium red. And the third and top color that I'm applying here to really make it pop is light cadmium red. It almost looks like a deep orange. It gives a lot of depth to my roses. I'm adding green gold leaves right here directly on. I didn't mix anything in it. I came back with adding a little white into the green gold to add some detail to the leaves. And I also went in with a deeper green right around where the base of the roses are, just to give it more depth. And then I came in and I love to do little circles and flowers. It just adds movement to my paintings. This is actually a gold leaf paint pen. It's an oil-based paint pen, really makes the gold pop. It's my favorite thing to do as a last and final step to give everything fun, movement, and energy. Always sign your work. This is a black suede vest I purchased at a secondhand shop, and this is the final product. Have fun.